Good morning, guys. I just got this one about a couple weeks ago, and the maintenance light is on. So right now I have to take it out. I got to do the oil change and maintenance reset light. So it's V8 447. So they need about 5.5 or 6 quart, and I do oil filter change also. So on a cap they say 5W30. So yeah, take it out, the oil change and the oil filter. See oil filter down there bottom. So 14 socket right there, that's the engine oil. So transmission oil down there a little bit, the bucket. So bring it out and get some oil ready. Make sure no overtake. Yep. All right, let's go up there. Yeah, have to be used to 530. Have to use 530 for synthetic. So we're done with 5 quart now. So wait, check the oil level. Yep, it's still low. So you gotta finish whole bottle. So they're gonna be total 6. Is it gonna be here 5 quart and another one quart right here? It's gonna be 6 total. So double check any oil leak at bottom, anything after you install it. So and then you go inside to reset the maintenance light. So before we reset it, so you got to put in the obido. So and then you see the maintenance light still flashing. So what you're going to do it, press and hold it, and then turn it up. Take the key out of there. Take the key out of there and keep holding it, and then put it back in again. Put it back in. Start it. See, the maintenance light already went out. It's gone. Alright, if you guys like it, give me a thumb up and subscribe below. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.